Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 24th of October 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 24th of October 2020. Before starting today's video, we will quickly revise the questions asked in our last video. Our first question was, which state or union territory has recently launched My Town My Pride campaign to deliver government services at doorsteps to the people in urban areas? Answer is Jammu Kashmir. Which organization has recently launched State of Climate Services 2020? Answer is UNWMO, that is United Nations World Meteorological Organization. Which state has recently launched Mission Shakti? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Which of the following day is celebrated as World Food Day? Answer is 16th October. Fifth question was, PM Narendra Modi has released a commemorative coin of rupees 75 to mark the 75th anniversary of Dash. Answer is World Food and Agriculture Organization. Sixth question was, Akitam Achyutan Nambudiri has died at the age of 94 recently. He was an eminent poet of which language? Answer is Malayalam. Who has been re-elected as the president of Tajikistan recently? Answer is Emomali Rahmon. Ninth question was, which of the following day is celebrated as International Day of Rural Women? Answer is 15th October. Tenth question was, Banu Athaiya has recently died at the age of 94. She was dash. Answer is costume designer. And last question was, which of the following day is celebrated as International Day for the Eradication of Poverty? Answer is 17th October. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now we will start today's video. Our first question is, cricketer Umar Gul has recently announced retirement from all forms of cricket. He belongs to which nation? Answer is option number 2, Pakistan. Look into the image. He is Umar Gul. He is a Pakistani cricketer and recently he has announced his retirement from all forms of cricket. Answer will be option number 3, Pakistan. Pakistan, look at the map. This is Pakistan. Capital is Islamabad. President is Arif Alvi. Prime Minister is Imran Khan and currency of Pakistan is Pakistani Rupaya. Next question, who among the following has recently been appointed as the new president of International Weightlifting Federation? Answer is option number 1, Michael Irani. This is Michael Irani. He was born in Mumbai in India and recently he has been appointed as the interim president of International Weightlifting Federation, that is IWF. And Michael Irani has been appointed following the resignation of International Weightlifting Federation President Tamaz Achan. Answer will be option number 1. What is International Weightlifting Federation? It is the international governing body for the sports of Olympic weightlifting. It was founded in 1905 and headquarters is in Budapest, which is in Hungary. Answer will be option number 1. Third question is, name the state or union territory which has started Red Light on Vehicle Off campaign to tackle air pollution. Answer is option number 4, Delhi. Recently, the Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, has launched a campaign called Red Light on Vehicle Off to tackle air pollution in the national capital and urge people to turn off their engines of their vehicle while waiting at traffic signals. Answer will be option number 4, Delhi. Fourth question is, Jacinda Ardern has been re-elected as the Prime Minister of Dash. Answer is option number 3, New Zealand. Jacinda Ardern is currently Prime Minister of New Zealand and has been re-elected in the general elections as the Prime Minister of New Zealand. Answer will be option number 3, New Zealand. New Zealand, this is New Zealand. Capital is Wellington. Prime Minister is Jacinda Ardern and currency of New Zealand is New Zealand dollar. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as World Statistics Day? Answer is option number 3, 20th October. 20th October is celebrated as World Statistics Day. This day intends to emphasize the importance of data authenticity and credibility, and it has been created by the United Nations Statistical Commission. It was first celebrated in 2010 and it is celebrated every 5 years. And this is the third World Statistics Day in 2020, and theme for 2020's World Statistics Day was Connecting the World with Data We Can Trust. Connecting the World with Data We Can Trust was the theme of 2020's World Statistics Day, which recently has been celebrated on 20th October. Answer will be option number 3. Next question is, with which of the following nation India has recently conducted bilateral maritime exercise called SLINEX 20? Answer is option number 3, Sri Lanka. Recently, India has conducted the 8th edition of annual SLINEX 20 bilateral naval exercise with Sri Lanka from 19th to 21st October 2020 in Trincomalee in Sri Lanka, and it is the 8th edition of this exercise. India ranks at dash in recently released Global Hunger Index 2020. Answer is option number 194th. In the recent Global Hunger Index 2020, India has been ranked at 94 out of 107 countries, and India is put in the serious hunger category. The neighboring countries such as Pakistan, Bangladesh and Myanmar are in the serious category too, but have been ranked higher than India. Bangladesh has ranked at 75th, Myanmar is at 78th position, and Pakistan is at 88th position. Answer will be option number 194th. Next, who is the author of the book titled The Battle of Belongings? Answer is option number 2, Shashi Tharoor. Shashi Tharoor is a famous Indian author and politician, and he has written this book called The Battle of Belongings, and this book will be released in next month, that is in November 2020, and this book provides the historical context to the ideas of nationalism, patriotism, humanism, democracy and their origins. Answer will be option number 2. Ninth question is, who has been appointed as the new chairman of Indian Banks Association recently? Answer is option number 1, Rajkiran Rai. Look at the this is Rajkiran Rai. He is currently MD and CEO of Union Bank of India, and he has been appointed as the new chairman of IBA, that is Indian Bank Association, for the year 2020-21, and he will succeed Rajnish Kumar as the chairman of IBA. Also, Dinesh Kumar Khara has been appointed as the deputy chairman of IBA for the same year, that is for 2020-21. Answer will be option number 1. What is Indian Banks Association? It is a representative body of management of banking in India. It was formed on 26th of September 1946. Headquarters is in Mumbai. Next, which of the following bank has recently launched WhatsApp banking services for its customers? Answer is option number 1, IDBI Bank. Recently, IDBI Bank has launched WhatsApp banking services for its customers, and this service is being offered through a dedicated WhatsApp verified number, ensuring end-to-end encryption, and this facility will enable IDBI Bank customers to avail various essential services such as account balance information, last 5 transactions, request for checkbook and an email statement, interest rate, as well as details of IDBI Bank branches and ATMs in the vicinity to begin with. Answer will be option number 1. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as World Iodine Deficiency Day? Answer is option number 3, 21st October. It is also called Global Iodine Deficiency Disorders Prevention Day, and it is celebrated every year on 21st of October. Human body needs iodine for producing the thyroid hormone, which is essential to control the body's metabolism, and iodine deficiency can cause iodine deficiency disorders, which can be prevented if iodine intake is monitored carefully. And to highlight the importance of iodine consumption and educate people about the importance of iodine rich dietary practices, every year 21st October is celebrated as World Iodine Deficiency Day. Now, answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, who has became the first Indian women to win Yuddha Seva medal recently? Answer is Minty Agarwal. Minty Agarwal has recently become the first Indian woman to win Yuddha Seva medal. Now today's question is, who has won the Nobel Peace Prize of 2020 recently? Options are World Food Program, World Health Organization, Abiy Ahmed and Malala Yousafzai. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss this question in the next video.